My name is Dwayne Hafen, and this is my video where I talk about what we've learned in the last little while. The very first thing I need to tell you is that before we started these classes, I had a pretty negative opinion about uh, the use of social media. I, like a lot of other people, felt that social media was killing people's ability to read and write and think. And due to our research, I've had to change my mind a bit. But that's why we go to school, is to learn things and perhaps change our mind. Anyway, I learned that social media is a very powerful means for people to understand things. It actually uses more of our senses than just reading a book does. It's just that most of the people can no longer write or tell us in a written word what they've learned. Anyway, I had to revise my opinion about social media. I now see it as something that we need to harness and use, and we need to teach the kids how to do critical thinking and understand, and probably how to write. That wouldn't be a bad idea either. My takeaways, two of them, were this. I played with the artificial intelligence quite a bit during this research, and I learned a number of things. Number one, it's not as smart as I thought it was. It can be confused. It can give you wrong answers. It can reflect the bias of those that taught it. Teach it. They have to teach your AI. You have to learn, it has to learn what you want it to learn. And amazingly, it becomes a reflection of what you ask it. I spoke with a friend of mine whose job is to train AI. He has to do that because the AI that he's seen here in the Philippines is very biased and reflects all values from the United States. So he's training it to think like a Filipino, which I guess is a good thing if you live in the Philippines. Anyway, the other thing I ran across is the idea of responsible AI. And what they mean by that is once you understand how badly AI can return things, we need to teach the kids, we need to ourselves work with being responsible to make sure that the responses that we use reflect the truth, our values, and things like that. And the second thing I learned is that we need to learn how to ask if we want to get the right answers. In other words, the old adage, garbage in, garbage out, still applies. We need to learn how to ask to get what we want. I now have a whole list of AI prompts so that stupid old me will know how to ask it. Anyway, those are my takeaways. Have a good day. Bye-bye.